How to extract specific info from SOAP response in Python, Pysimplesoap. I'm starting to code in Python using Pysimplesoap, testing first against a service available on internet. I'm stuck trying to parse the result of the SOAP query. I coded. I get the following, which means the SOAP request was positive. I now want to extract the value of good email, which is equal to true from response, and store it in a variable named result. I tried various things without success. I must admit I'm very new to Python and would appreciate help from a knowledgeable person.
What you get as the response is a Python dict. You can access the good email value like that. You can read more about Python data types here. This URL